Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix crashing and freezing issue with Marauders game on your Windows computer. Now the first step is to restart your computer. So simply restart your computer once and after the system restart, launch the game. Next step is to try launching the game as an administrator from the game installation folder. So for this, make a right click on the game, select manage, then click on browse local files. It will straight away take you to the game installation folder. Open the RaidGame folder. Now open binaries folder. Now open Win64. Now over here you will find the game exe file. Make a right click, then select properties. Go to the compatibility tab and then put a check on the box which says run as an administrator, and then click on apply, click on OK. Make a double click over here and try launching the game from the game installation folder. Now still you're facing the problem, then delete the save game files and then launch the game. So to delete the save game file, now before you delete it, let me inform you that you will lose all the game progress. So you have to start it from scratch. Now to delete the save game file, open File Explorer. Now go to this PC, open C drive. Now open users folder. Now open your username folder. Now open app data folder. Now if you don't see app data over here, on the top here you can see view. Click on view, then select show and then put a check on hidden items. You should be able to see app data. In Windows 10, somewhere over here you will find view option. Click on view and then put a check on the box which says hidden items, and then open app data folder. Now try opening local folder and check if you find the game folder over here. So over here you can see the raid game folder. Open this raid game folder. Now here you will find the save game file. Now you simply make a right click on raid game and then delete. Now once this is deleted, now launch the game. Now the next step is to allow the game exe file to your antivirus program. So if you have any third party antivirus, make sure that you allow the game exe file to your antivirus program. If you're using Windows security, then go to the start menu, then click on settings. Now if you have Windows 11, click on privacy and security, then click on Windows security. If you have Windows 10, click on update and security, then click on Windows security. Now click on virus and threat protection. Now scroll down and then click on manage ransomware protection. Now click on allow an app through control folder access. Click on yes to allow. Now click on add an allowed app, then click on browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder. So if the game is installed in C drive, open C drive, program files x86. Now open the Steam folder. Now open the Steam apps folder. Now open the common folder. Over here you will find the game folder. In my case it's in E drive. So open Steam folder, Steam apps, common, and then open this PH test folder. Now select this raid game easy anti-cheat exe file and then click on open. Once this is added, again click on add an allowed app, browse all apps. Now open this raid game folder, binaries folder, Win64, select this exe file and then click on open. Now once this is added, type in control panel in Windows search box and open control panel. Click on system and security. Now click on Windows Defender Firewall and then click on allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on change settings on the top. Now click on allow another app. Now click on browse. Now again go to the game installation folder. So open the PH test folder, PH test, then select this raid game exe file, open, add. Again click on allow another app, browse. Open raid game folder, binaries, Win64, select this exe file, open. Now click on add. Now once the game is added over here, now click on OK. Now launch the game. Now next step is to put DX11 or DX12 in launch options. So go to Steam, make a right click on the game, select properties. In the launch option, type in dash DX11 and then launch the game. If that does not work, you can try dash DX12 and then check which one is working fine for you. So if nothing works, you can simply remove it and try other steps. Now the next step is to do a clean installation of your graphics card driver. So if you have NVIDIA card, go to NVIDIA website. If you have AMD card, go to AMD website. I'm showing for NVIDIA. On NVIDIA website, select
your graphic card. Make sure that you select your graphic card over here and then select the right operating system. So if you have Windows 10, select Windows 10. If you have Windows 11, select Windows 11. Now click on Start Search. Scroll down over here, you can see GeForce Game Ready driver. This is the latest one right now. So click on Get Download. Click on Download now. Now, once the download is complete, run the exe file and then you will see the screen. Click on agree and continue, and then put a check on the box which says custom, and then click on next, and then put a check on the box which says perform a clean installation, and then click on next. Now let the installation complete. Now after the installation, your driver should be up to date.
Now the next step is for laptop users with dual graphic card. Make sure that you allow the game exe file to your graphic card. So for this, type in graphics settings in Windows search box and then click on graphics settings. Now click on browse. Again, go to the game installation folder. So open the Steam library, Steam apps, common, test folder. Now select this easy anti-cheat RaidGame exe file. Click on add. Now once the game is added, click on options, high performance, save. Again click on browse and this time open RaidGame folder, binaries folder, Win64. Select this exe file, then click on add. Now once the game is added, click on options, select high performance. Now click on save and then check if you have any other exe file. So that's it. Once the game is added over here, now launch the game. Next step is to install Visual C++ file. For this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down over here, you can see Visual Studio 2015, 17, 19, and 20. Download x86 first. So download this x86 and x64 and run this exe file. Click on repair or install. So you might see the install option. If you see install, click on install. If you see the repair option, click on repair. Click on yes to allow. Now download the x64 exe file. Again run this exe file. Now again, if you see the repair option, click on repair. If you see the install option, click on install. Click on yes to allow and let the installation complete. Make sure both the installation are complete. Now, once both the installation are complete, now click on restart. Make sure that you restart a computer and after the system restart, launch the game. Next step is to disable overlay in Steam. For this, go to Steam, make a right click on the game, select properties, uncheck the box which says enable Steam overlay while in game and then launch the game. Also close all the overlay applications. So if you have Discord running, close Discord. Now, if you have GeForce Experience running, close GeForce Experience. So close all the overlay application. Also close all the overclocking application. So if you have MSI Afterburner running on the computer, close MSI Afterburner. If you have ReverTuner running, close ReverTuner. So close all the overclocking application. Also perform clean boot. For this, type in system configuration in Windows search box and then click on system configuration. Now go to the services tab and then click on put a check on the box which says hide all Microsoft services. Put a check over here first. Make sure that you put a check over here first, then click on disable all. In my case, I already did it. That's why this is grayed out. In your case, this would be highlighted. So put a check over here and then click on disable all and then click on apply. Okay. And you will see the restart option, restart your computer and then launch the game. Next step is to update your Windows to the latest version. For this, go to the start menu, click on settings. Now click on Windows Update or Update and Security, and then click on check for update. Once all the updates are installed, restart your computer and then launch the game. Next step is to verify the game files. Now for this, go to Steam. Now make a right click on the game, select properties. Now go to the local files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. Now after the verification, launch the game. Now still you are facing the problem, then launch the game in window mode. So try window mode and lower down graphics settings. So if you are able to launch the game, try window mode and lower down graphics settings and then check the performance. Now go to options. Now over here, select window mode. So if this is set to borderless, you can try window mode. You can also lower down graphic resolution. So if this is set to 4K, or you can set it to 1920 into 1080p, or you can even lower down more. So you can try 1920 into 1080p, or you can even lower down more. So instead of 4K, you can try lower resolution. Also set resolution scale to low. You can lock the FPS at 60 and turn off VSync over here, and you can keep the motion blur normal, or you can even try low. Now if texture quality and these settings are set to high, so you can lower it down. So you can go for medium, or you can even go for low quality. Now the next step is to disconnect multiple monitors. So if you have multiple monitors set up, try launching the game on single monitor. Disconnect multiple monitor. Also unplug the USB devices which you're not using. So if you have these devices connected, disconnect these devices and then check. Also if you have these software running, so if you have this software running, close this software. So make sure only the game and the Steam is running. Rest close everything, including all your browsers. Also remove the undervolt. So if you have undervolted your computer, remove the undervolt and then launch the game. Last step is to uninstall the game and reinstall the game to different drive. So go to Steam, make a right click on the game, click on manage, then click on uninstall. Now after the uninstall, delete the game folder. So go to the game installation folder, delete the game folder, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, reinstall the game to different drive. So if you have another SSD or HDD, try installing the game to different drive and then check. So one of the steps should help you to get the game running on your Windows computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.